Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101. This is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. I'm looking here at this gorgeous Ansel apartment. This is their 2 bedroom. I'm doing a really quick walkthrough. It is just gorgeous. Look at this. This is a massive, beautiful plan. You notice it's got just a gorgeous kitchen with so many cabinets. It's white. It's really, really pretty. It's got a very, very nice island that's here. You know, the island is just gorgeous. And then it's also got this just beautiful area here that's a desk area. You can also put a pet area down there too. That's really pretty. And look at all these windows it has. It's just stunning. It's just a gorgeous, gorgeous apartment. And it's new and it's just recently opened. This is one of the bedrooms. It looks like gorgeous, gorgeous. Master that's in there, and it's really pretty. You can see it's got a king bed in there, lots of space. And then this is what the bathroom looks like. It's dual sink. It's gorgeous in here, really, really pretty. Just a stunning closet as well. So this is a perfect apartment in a new area, in a safe, nice area in the Colony area. So send me a text if you're ready to do a tour here. Send me a text and just say, hi Grant, I'd love to do a virtual. That's what I recommend, is a virtual tour. You'll get that virtual tour done. We can do that even today, right from your phone, and it'll be easy for you to do. Hey, I look forward to hearing from you. Send me a text right away at the number below.